Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm showing you how to make a protein cereal in 30 seconds or less. So this protein cereal recipe is super quick and it can be eaten anytime during the day. Now, it's not something that I eat every day, but when I'm in a super rush or I'm having a craving for cereal, this is usually my go-to. So here's how to make your protein cereal in 30 seconds or less. In a blender, add 1 scoop of protein with a half a cup of almond milk and blend. Add 1/3 cup of grain-free paleo-friendly cereal or granola to a bowl. I'm using this grain-free cacao sea salt granola. Top with the protein milk mixture, and if you have leftover milk, don't waste it, chug it. That's it. Nutritional info per serving, 456 calories, 35 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbohydrates, and 28 grams of healthy fat. So yeah, the key is to find a healthy cereal that is not filled with hunger-spiking grains. So the goal is to fill yourself up, not eat cereal that is marketed as low calorie. These low calorie cereals are usually filled with unhealthy ingredients that don't fill you up. In fact, they do the opposite. They spike your blood sugar, thus causing it to quickly crash. Then you're hungry again, so you go back and eat more. So the calories continuously pile up throughout the day. When you eat satiating food high in protein, healthy fat, and fiber, your appetite will be satisfied, your blood sugar will be stable, and you'll be good for the day. So regardless of what your goal is, if it's muscle building, fat loss, or just maintenance, you'll stick within your calorie requirements. So guys, if you love quick and simple recipes like this and you're ready to turn your journey into a sustainable lifestyle, you need to go join our team at teamlivelean.com. You'll get access to over 200 cooking video recipes just like this, weekly meal plans and grocery lists, as well as a brand new 4-week workout program every single month. All of your training is done for you. Plus, you get the accountability from both Jessica and I as your coaches through this journey, as well as hundreds of other Team Live Lean members who are on the same journey as you. So I'm gonna put a clickable link in the video description below to go join our team today. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean.